I have never paid for a haircut due to my mother being a hairstylist, and now that I live in a different state from her, I'm not gonna start now. So today, I'm going to be trimming my hair myself. I attempted this once before and it was fine. The job was done and it was done good enough. So I think now that I have experience on my side, we can only go up from there. So to get right to it, I have my mirrors and lights set up, and I am just going to part out the bottom layer of my hair. And I'm going to make this first layer really thin, just because that's what's gonna kind of set the length for the other layers. I know that when you are trimming a bob, you have to go like this. Like follow the jawline and go a little longer in the front. So I'm just gonna try to cut the side pieces on an angle and then do like a straight across cut in the back. By the way, my mom did leave a pair of her hair cutting scissors here at my apartment, and I know it is just so she can cut my hair when she's here without dealing with taking these on a plane and checking a bag. But also I feel like they're here to allow me to do this. This is a crime of opportunity, if you will. Also, I forgot to mention, my hair has grown out about this much. You can see on my highlights since I last got my hair cut. And I think that is about the amount I'm gonna try to cut off. I am going a little shorter than I think what I could really do or what I really want, just so next time I see my mom in a few weeks, she can fix it. Honestly, this first layer is really thin, but I feel like it is still too thick. And I think this is the angle I might be going with, maybe not. Honestly, I can't. This is a little bit of a different mirror setup than what I had last time, and I kind of want to just put my hair in a ponytail like this and just, but I feel like that would not be the best option. So a tutorial that I watched pulled the hair, kind of held it straight with the fingers and cut it like this, but I am super feeling like I'm gonna cut my fingers. Okay, this might be how we're doing this. Oh.
A few moments later.
After 15 minutes, we're just gonna start. That sound freaks me out. Did I do it? Oh, I cannot see the back of my head, and I just saw a big glob of hair fall. Okay. That's great. Oh my gosh. Now, this is kind of, you get to a crossroads at a certain point. Because after the first layer, you gotta decide if you're gonna continue. Because we're at the point where not too much damage has been done. And I kind of want to just see. That sound freaks me out. Oh. That was a big chunk of hair. All right, chat, what do we do? Do we keep going or what? I think the answer to if we keep going is a big no. I kind of like what's going on. I at least gotta even up the front part. Now this side's longer. Upon review of the footage, not too bad, not great. So here's the thing. I can stop now and have it be fine, but I just kind of want to keep going. Okay, that might have been a lot. I did not do the front though, to kind of keep the front a little longer. Okay. Okay, I feel like we're still a little shorter in the front, which is not great. The best part is, from this point, there is still kind of a point to turn back. This is scaring me. Oh no. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do the microscopic little baby cuts off the top, and then we're gonna call it a day. Okay, the front, we're gonna take a lot less off than we had. Alrighty, I might have done the top. The front, too short, might have a bowl cut situation. This may have not been too bad of a situation. I feel like it does look a little weird, but hopefully when I wash my hair and then curl it, it'll look better. These underneath layers are a little short though. Hi. It's about a week later, and as promised, here is the situation. I did curl my hair the past few days because I think that does a really good job at hiding a potentially botched haircut. But yesterday and today I decided to straighten it because I don't think it's that bad. I think the saving grace, however, is the fact that for some reason the top layer is decent-ish looking.
Hold up right there. Girl, no. No. It is sometime later, and my mom fixed my hair, and in comparison, what I did to myself was a crime. Please do not do what I did. I was trapped in a cloud of my own delusion with a dream and a pair of scissors, and could not see beyond what success may have looked like to see what failure definitely looked like. So don't mind the rest of this video. Just know that everything I'm saying, don't do. But, you know, let the delusion roll.
The underneath is definitely very choppy, and it's definitely going to need to get fixed. I do not condone cutting your own hair, but also I do not condemn. With that, whatever happens is usually fine.